And today's hairstyle is going to be the feathered braid. You know what? Enough with the talk. Let's get started. Take a section of hair and divide it into 3 equal parts. Now take a tiny strand from the right part of the braid, leave it out, and cross the rest over the middle. Now take a tiny strand from the left part of the braid, leave it out, and cross the rest over the middle strand. Do the same on the right. Now take the strand that you left out before, cross it into the right part of the braid, and cross it all over the middle. Again, take a tiny strand from the left part of the braid, take the strand before that, and cross it into the left strand of the braid. As you go, pull your strands out. Again, from the right.
Just one more move, and this pain will be gone soon. Nobody is.
And again from the left. Continue this until you have no more strands to braid with. Pull your strands out as far as you can.
I can hear some voices calling me. They say it's time for
And when you're done, secure it with an elastic.
and I know there won't be another way
And again from the other side.
left for me to stay. I can hear some voices calling me. Nobody.
That's it for today's tutorial, guys. And also hit the subscribe button for more. I will have a link in the description box for a video that I've done with this kind of technique. So if you want to check that out, just click it. And we will